welcome to our channel. If you dream of having strong, beautiful nails, you're in the right place. Today, we'll reveal our best natural tricks to care for and strengthen your nails without any chemicals. Let's get started. Your nails need the right nutrients to grow strong. Include foods rich in biotin, like eggs, nuts, and seeds, as well as vitamin E found in spinach and avocados. Don't forget protein. Chicken and fish are excellent sources. Eating a balanced diet will not only benefit your nails, but your entire body. Next up are easy DIY treatments. Mix equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice and soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. Olive oil nourishes while lemon juice brightens your nails. Alternatively, try a warm coconut oil massage to hydrate and strengthen them. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water daily can significantly impact your nail health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and watch your nails transform. Be gentle with your nails. Avoid harsh chemicals and opt for natural or organic nail polishes and removers. When filing, always file in one direction to prevent splitting and breaking. If you're looking for an extra boost, consider natural supplements such as biotin or collagen. These can help promote nail growth and strength from the inside out. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. And there you have it. With these simple natural tricks, you can achieve the nails you've always wanted. Let us know in the comments which tips you're excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more beauty hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and let your nails shine.